Ginger not only tastes good, it's also super good for you. Ginger is one of my favorite spices. I am constantly adding it to my signature dishes, because it adds just a little bit of heat with just the right amount of spice. Keeping a few ginger chews in your pocket or purse can be a fast solution for the following symptoms. Treat nausea, treat motion sickness, treat morning sickness, reduce muscle pain, reduce soreness, reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar, improve heart disease risk factors, relieve chronic indigestion, reduce menstrual pain, lower cholesterol levels, prevent cancer, improve brain function, fight infections. So, if you're looking for a way to incorporate more ginger into your diet, to fight any of the mentioned illnesses, why not give yourself a sweet treat at the same time? Try some ginger chews, sometimes referred to as gin-gins. They are small, round candies filled with the crispness of ginger, and a powerful satisfying flavor. Ingredients: 10 soft medjool dates, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon natural pure almond butter, 5 drops liquid stevia, 1/2 cup honey, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, 6 to 12 drops organic ginger essential oil, 1 tablespoon powdered coconut sugar, optional. Directions: place all ingredients into your food processor and blend until smooth, stopping to scrape down the sides. Keep blending and scraping until the mixture is smooth and dough-like. Line a bowl with saran wrap and scrape ginger chew dough into it. Place in the freezer or refrigerator for 1 to 3 hours. Remove ginger chew dough from the refrigerator and roll into preferred shape. Place into parchment or saran wrap lined sealed tight container. Keep ginger chews in the freezer until ready to enjoy, as there are no preservatives in this recipe, and this keeps the chews firm.